Hello everyone. Today we will be telling you about market outlook and trading ideas for the week ahead with Mr. Imran Vora, VP Equity Research.
Hello friends. In the current week we have seen that the broader indices has closed at 12,859 with a weekly gain of only 79 points, or in terms of percentage 0.61%. Now in the current week we have seen that the market has made a new lifetime high of 12,963 and closed into positive territory with minor gains. In comparison to previous two consecutive weeks where the broader indices have strong weekly gains, the current week was slightly positive to sideways type of, but of course we have seen a new lifetime high in Nifty and a lot of individual stock action was also been observed. Now technically speaking, the broader indices is in strong uptrend and weaknesses or intermediate correction should be used as an opportunity to go long, specifically for short term as well as positional traders. On the daily chart, no doubt Nifty is slightly in overbought territory, hence price correction cannot be ruled out. However, weaknesses of correction will be limited up to the mark of 12,600 or 12,475. While on the higher side, the market is expected to move up to the mark of 13,200 or even 13,475. This will be an ideal strategy for short-term or positional traders. Now for the next week, we have identified two potential stocks which has the capability of outperforming the broader indices. First one is Bharat Electronics Ltd, also known as BEL. The current market price is 108.35. One can go long at current market price or on slightly decline around 106. This stock has the potential to move up to the mark of 118 to 120. Another counter is IOL Chemical and Pharmaceutical Limited, also known as IOLCP. The current market price is near to 700. To be precise, it is at 697.55. One can buy at current market price or around 690, and this stock has a potential to move up to the mark of 845 to 850. So that's it from the current week, and we'll meet you on next Friday. Thank you very much.